Hello and welcome to my channel called Kabasi. You may be asking what is this channel about and who am I? Well, I'm gonna explain all that in this video. My name is Miguel and I'm an 11-year-old boy living in Hong Kong. I started to fall in love with technology and computers since I was 5 years old and have had a heavy interest on programming since I was 6. I discovered the world of crypto, NFTs, the metaverse and much more all very recently in the late part of 2021, and I was immediately drawn to the idea of a decentralized free world. Now, I'm using my knowledge to create a YouTube channel that helps people with their crypto journey and teaches them new things. I've also created an NFT collection called Crypto Tigers recently and deployed the contract and made the minting tab all by myself, which feel free to mint. The link is in the description. I think this NFT collection is special because it's, to my knowledge, an NFT collection created by the youngest NFT artist and programmer, me. Anyways, I hope to make everyone's crypto journey easier and more fun and teach people new things. Stick around for fun and educational content. P.S. Subscribe to me to support me. Bye.